Lesson 7, minimum, maximum, average. So I have a group of friends or family members or whoever these people are, and I want to know who is the youngest, who is the oldest, and what's the average. Let's go with the minimum first. Put the equal sign, type out MIN for minimum, open parentheses, select the age group, close parentheses. The youngest person is 16, which is Mike Jones. All right, now who's the oldest? Type out the equal sign to open up your formula. This time, write MAX for maximum, open parentheses, select the age group. Who is the oldest? Close parentheses, hit enter, 78. God bless Jack Garcia. Now, what's the average of this age group? Put the equal sign. This time, type out average, open parentheses, select your age group. What's the average of this set of friends? Close parentheses, hit enter, 36. Let me show you my formula if you want to print screen this.